You hold it. And don't play games. Wait. I'm making a video. Okay. Oh, wait. No, wait. Oh, yeah. Okay. Episode 1. Angry Birds Island. New episodes.
Whatever.
Yes. New episodes.
I'll show you a new episode. When the time's right,
Birds
bird by your face.
Legos.
Yeah, I got a one.
Episode 1.
I'm walking
Season 1.
Down to the streets.
Hello.
I'm strolling, but the
That's-
seagulls poking my
We're
head.
waiting for
Not
pizza.
far. I said, seagulls, stop it now.
Stop, Jackson.
Oh, you stabbed me.
You're supposed to not. No. Stop. You're not supposed to sing. Jackson, you're not supposed
Why are you
to
getting a Band-Aid?
No, because he has a Band-Aid. Yeah, let's see. What's with this Band-Aid?
Stop it, please. Stop it, please. Stop it. When the time was right, busy by your face. One day I was walking and I found this big log. I said, this log had a child. One day I was walking and found this big log and I rolled it over, and underneath I found a stick.
Stop.
I thought that log had a child.
So he took it over now?
What? No.
Oh, you didn't want to use it, Zevin?
No, I'm helping Zevin make a video.
Yeah.
One of his not good videos.
Let's. Wait.
Why'd you put a Band-Aid on Chuck's forehead and make him blind? Hey guys, I'm blind. Yeah.
We'll see you next episode.
What?
Okay, we'll be right back. Pause.
Okay. Where are we going to go? Got some pepperoni sausage pizza. Hey, I'm not gone. Sometimes when I'm burning my face.
Okay.
Yeah. Got one. I can be back. One.
Oh, okay. Oh, dapat aku punya nahan.
Look at this. This is the can of soup. Can of soup. But it really says Angry Orchard
Oh, okay. Sawa, no go.
Hard Cider. Hard to see.
Oh, orang dia nanya meta.
That's
Nanya meta dah di
water
mana
bottle.
mau dona.
That's Gatorade. Literally looks like pee.
Dong mana?
Here's me. And that's Zevin. And then show them Chuck.
Okay. So
That's
dia video
Chuck,
mana?
but he bit his like hair off. And then that's Red. Please subscribe.